Welcome back to another video. Today we're fitting LVT in a hallway. This is the product we're using today. It comes with its own underlay, as you can see. Now I'll give you a look at the hallway that we're actually going to fit the LVT into. Now we have to make some preparations to actually fit the LVT. We'll cut away underneath all the door frames. I didn't actually record that on this job. This is another job that I did, just to give you an idea of what we do. And now that we've done that, we're going to crack on with actually fitting the floor. I'm just marking out to make my first run. I like to get the first couple of rows in before I put in my spacers to give you the expansion gap. I will also today be showing you how to make templates out of cardboard using the packaging that the LVT came in. As you can see, I'm getting ready to put the spacers in now. And now that we've done that, we shall make our first run. That is the cardboard that I'm going to make the templates from. We are working in a confined space today, so it will seem a bit untidy. The tools that you will need for this job today are a pencil, a utility knife, jigsaw, and I also carry a guillotine as well, or chopper, whichever way you want to describe it. Oh, and of course the rubber hammer. Now I'm cutting some more spacers.
But I realized that I'm still the same man I was yesterday. See, I made a promise to myself to make a change and better myself, but I don't feel any difference, and that's a shame. All I want is to be a better man. All I need is to clean the slate again. But I know the change, no, it don't come easy. Change, no, it don't come easy to me.
As you can see, it fits quite easily. It doesn't take a lot to lock it. and I was trying to do a random pattern on the colours because it comes with three different colours per box. So I was trying to mix and match the colours so that we didn't get too many colours in one place. I use a tapping block just to make sure that the joints are well sealed.
But this is something I've got to do for myself. I'm thankful, but I can't take that help. Gotta do this my way, my way.
I am just cleaning out the track so that we get a clean lock.
To be a better man. All I need is to clean the slate again. But I know the change, no, it don't come easy. Change, no, it don't come easy to me.
Now I'm just making sure that my next plank will fit without me having to cut anything off of it, but it leaves enough of a gap, which it does. When going round the bottom of the step, the gap tends to be a bit smaller because you've got the carpet coming down, and you don't want to leave too big a gap because then the carpet can't cover it. So you don't put any beading around the bottom of the step. You're hoping that the carpet fitter will be able to cover the gap. Now I'm cutting the template to go around the bottom of the step. As you can see, I push it in and then I make a series of slits around it. And each time you cut, you push it down to make sure you get a tight fit against the bottom of the step. And then you just take your knife and trim those long bits off and actually cut the shape of the step out. And you don't need any special paper for this. The box that the flooring comes in is more than adequate. The box is the right size. Gives you the correct width. So when you cut the shape out, you know that that plank is going to
make a change and better myself, but I don't feel any difference, and that's a shame.
Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Comments down below.
All I need is to clean the slate again, but I know the